Alright guys, in another video I showed you Freebie, long wheelbase. I turned short wheelbase. Cut 14 inches off the frame in between the cab and the rear axle, 6 inches off the back. Front of the frame, 6 inches off the back. This is the area I cut it. I didn't do a straight cut, done a notch. Felt like the notch was stronger. Welded it solid. Plate on the bottom. I've also got a plate on the inside that's welded up. Now whenever I cut this, I also beveled all the edges. Took the extra steps. Hopefully it's right. I mean, shit, some places it's 5/8 inches thick, so I think she'll hold. Fingers crossed. You guys have a good one.